Hey there, it's Dina Colada again, and today I'm going to show you how to organize blog posts for yourself or your team using a free tool called Trello. Now, Trello is a Scrum board, and I love it because it's versatile. You can add team members, you can add checklists and links and images and attachments. It's just an all-around great tool for organizing your blogs. Now, today I created another video about how to do SEO keyword research using the Google Keyword Planner. Now I'm going to actually take the words, the document I used in my Google Docs, and I'm going to transfer that data over to the Trello board for my new writer on the team so she has an organized checklist and I'll know if it's written, if it's in progress, if she's working on it, and when it's been published or she's been paid. Now this is for a new website I've created. It's called lifedatinglove.com, and I actually am looking for contributors for this site. So if you're an author, a speaker, a coach, or a blogger and you're interested, definitely get a hold of me at editor lifedatinglove@gmail.com. And then if you're interested in that, we can get your profile set up. If you have some great writing we would love to share with our audience. Okay, I'm going to get back on track here. And I need to open up that Google Doc that I had created just a little bit ago. Okay, so here's the Google Doc that I want to use, and this is the working title I've come up with for my new blog post. Okay, now I'm going to take the information I've put into a Google Doc and I'm going to add it to the Trello board for my new writer. So I'm going to click Add to List, and I'm going to put Blog to Write. And this is, I'm not going to put her name in there for her privacy. I'm going to click Add List. And now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click Add a Card. So the card title for this is going to actually be the title of the blog post that I want written. And I'm also going to put in the word count. 1,000 words is what I would like to get. So I'm going to click Add Card. Now I'm actually going to click, I don't need that card. I'm going to actually click on the card I just created titled What is Online Dating Like for Women in Their 20s? Click on that, and then it opens up this more detailed sheet of things I can do. So I can say I want to have her write 1,000-word article about your experience in online dating. And then please use the title in H1 tags and use the other subheads with H2 tags. Now, if you have a WordPress site, you're going to want to use H tags, H1 tags, H2 tags. You can use bold, and there's a lot of other things I want to do too. So I'm going to click Save. Okay, so now I'm actually going to add a checklist. So whenever the writer is finished using their, let me start over. I'm going to add a checklist for all the things that I want in this particular blog post. I'm going to click SEO keywords and click Add. I'm going to actually change that, keywords and word count. I'm going to click Save. I'm going to click Add an item. I'm going to put What is Online Dating Like for Women? Title. Then I'm going to click Add. And then I'm going to put, I want a 200-word intro. And then click Add. And then I'm going to have an H2 tag using, I forgot one thing. I want to actually put my long tail keyword into my intro. So I'm going to use a 2-word intro using the keyword somewhere. What is online dating like for women? Okay, so I'm going to click save because it's really great to use your long tail keyword in your intro so Google sees that this article is actually about what is online dating like for women. Okay, I'm actually going to add something else in that too. In the intro, discuss what you'll be talking about. What you're going to be talking about in the subheads. Okay, I'm going to click add. So I would like to have a little intro that's like, hey, this is what it's like online dating as a woman. And in this article, I'm going to be talking about what my experience is like and what dating looks like for women. Like my experience, what it's like for women in their 20s. Okay, so I'm going to click save. So I'm going to add another item. So this is going to be an H2 tag here as well. Oh, actually I'm going to make what is online dating like for women as the first H2 tag. And I'm going to have 200 words. 2, 4, 6, I'll make it 250 words. And then the H3 tag will be my online dating experience, or an H2 tag as well. And I'm going to use 200 words. And click add. And what does a dating profile look like? H2 tags. H2. Okay, I need to put the word count. So I need a 1,000-word article. So I'm going to use, there's 200, 450, 650. Let's see, we'll make these all 250. Okay, because I want my word count to be about 1,000 words. It can go over or under a little bit. Okay, so another item I would like to add, which is really good for SEO purposes, add 3 outbound links to relevant sites using data. Relevant sites like edu, .org, journal articles, let's say journal articles, or larger websites like Huffington Post, CNN. I'll put your Tango because I love them too. Okay, and then click add. And then I also want to have people staying on to the website. So I also want to have some inbound links on my own website so people want to click and read those articles as well that are relevant. Add 3 inbound links from lifelovedating.com from other blog posts. Okay, and then I'm actually going to show you another trick that I like. I'm not going to show you another trick yet. I'm going to stick with my one topic that I told you I would talk about. And then if you'd like to learn my other trick, please subscribe to my channel and you can click on the link below and that'll take you to another video where you're going to learn some more SEO tactics that'll get your website free traffic. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like the video, place any questions or comments you have, and subscribe to my channel. I love my fans. Please watch more videos. Have a great one. Bye.